Guys, for today's video, merong bagong papalabas na bagong contender na parang buy now, pay later na katulad ni Atome. And parang kamukha talaga siya ni Atome. Right now, they are on beta testing, pero gusto ko mapasilip sa inyo to at baka naman gusto nyo na mag-sign up to be an early adopter. So, ano ba to? Ito yung tinatawag nilang Z. Yan, Z. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong meron dito kay Z, samahan nyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're newer in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience at ginawa ko na yan na videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas at kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so just a brief background about this. So this is parang parang credit card and they are marketing it as a credit card. So actually, wala pa akong alam na service na ganito na hindi bank ang nagbibigay. Usually, nakikita kong style ng lending is parang siya, katulad ni Atome na debit card ang gamit and hindi credit card. Pag kasi debit card, ang gagawin dyan, pag ini-swipe, ayan, debit ang gagamitin, hindi yung credit. And kung debit, para siyang savings, yung ATM natin, na mag-enter ng PIN, yung ganon. Pero meron naman yata tap to terminal lang na debit. So, yun yung pinagkaiba nun sa credit card. And yung credit card kasi, alam natin, yung revolving credit. Ito naman, parang katulad siya ni Atome na parang debit card. Pero nga, ang sabi ko, they're marketing it as a credit card. So, yun yung yun yung parang magandang abangan about this. So, let's move on na sa kanilang website para makita natin yung details about this Z card. Okay, head over to z.co. Ayan, makikita nyo, Z. The credit you've always deserved. O diba, kung makikita nyo, para siyang itsurang Atome. Yellow, black, diba? Ayan, join Z today. The most powerful card you've ever seen. Powerful card daw. Groundbreaking technology meets unmatched convenience and control. No other card comes close. Yan. Ito, katulad din ng Atome, no interest. Never pay for more than you purchase. O, diba? Si Atome naman, ganun din. Diba? Up to 40 days yung no interest na purchase ni Atome. Pero may option ka kay Atome na gawing installment. So, yan. No foreign transaction fees. O, di okay to kapag ginamit mo to sa ibang bansa. Walang additional foreign transaction fees or purchases over the internet. Walang dagdag na fees. No annual fees. O, di ba? Walang annual fee. Okay, Titanium Mastercard. Transact seamlessly and securely worldwide with a premium credit card. Unlimited virtual cards. Have a peace of mind buying online. So, apart from your physical card, magkakaroon ka ng virtual card. And meron pang isa, yung tinatawag nilang burn card. And pag-uusapan natin yan later. Then, ito. Lastly, data-driven application process. Get a fair credit limit based on your current and future earnings. So, nakadepende sa sa kinikita natin. Okay. So, ito yung itsura daw niya. Virtual card, yan, pang gaming. Yan. Introducing unlimited virtual card. Sabi dito, you can create as many virtual cards as you need for subscription, for shopping, or over-the-phone purchases. So, bakit naging maganda to? Naging maganda to kasi, lalo na pag magtatransact ka online sa mga hindi kasiguradong website, ganyan, yung nagdadalawang isip ka, magtatransact pa ako dyan online, yung medyo hindi ka pa sanay gumamit ng website na yon. Ayan. Or for example, di ba, kilala yung Alibaba.com. Pero sa atin, ganun ba kakilala yung Alibaba.com sa Pilipinas? Hindi naman, di ba? Pero sa US, may napapanood ako na umorder sila sa Alibaba, natatanggap naman nila. Pero sa akin skeptical ako umorder sa Alibaba.com. Baka magkaroon ako ng issue. Yung credit card details ko, malik sa kanila. So, hindi ako masyadong ganun ka-confident. So, ito, with Z card, pwede ako mag-create ng isang virtual card for just that one-time purchase lang. And after kung makapag-purchase doon, pwede nang ma-delete or pwede nang ma-burn yung card na yon. So, ito na, sinagot na nila sa FAQ. Is the Z card a credit card? So, yes, Z is a MasterCard credit card that can be used globally, online, and in person. So, hindi siya katulad ni Atome na debit card na preloaded lang ng pera. Ito, credit card talaga siya. So, ito yung binigay nilang sample ng reason kung bakit ka gagamit ng virtual card. Ayan, burner card. Yun na nga yung na-discuss natin kanina. Yung just need to make one-time purchase and then delete the card. Diba? Once na-delete mo na yon, kahit malik yung information na yon, hindi na siya magagamit. Okay. Pwede rin siya maging subscription card. Make a virtual card for each of your online subscription. This way, if you don't want to pay for that subscription, you can just lock that card and wala nang charge ang papasok doon. And then, you can also create a virtual card specifically for a merchant. For example, gusto mo ng pang Shopee lang na virtual card, then pwede mo siyang gawin. So, wala pa ako nakikitang ganitong feature across sa mga credit card natin dito sa Pilipinas. So, if this pushes through, then ang ganda ng feature na ino-offer netong Z-Card. So, ito na. For you to join the waitlist, edi just click on Join Waitlist here. Ayan. So, mag-enter kayo ng details nyo, yung information nyo, and once na-enter nyo na yan, just click Continue. After nyo ma-enter yung details na yon, magsisend yan ng OTP sa inyong cellphone, and then you just need to enter the OTP here. So, after you join the waitlist, sasabihin you're officially on Z waitlist. Tapos, sasabihin yung position nyo. Tapos, kung gusto mo daw na umangat yung position nyo sa waitlist, merong ibang details na kailangan yung i-enter. So, click yung jump ahead and you can complete a profile. So, ayan, add a device, mobile phone, o ano ba mobile phone nyo, i-enter nyo lang. So, mag-jump yan ng by 50 place, i-enter nyo yung current address nyo, mag-jump another 50, and other details yan, undergraduate ba kayo or graduate ba kayo, employer nyo and your profession nyo, ayan. So, sa akin, ito, from kanina, nag-jump ng 250 spots. Tapos, if I refer a friend, tataas pa yung waitlist position ko. Okay, so kung gusto nyo mag-join dito sa Z card na to, you can use my referral code, yan. Or ito na rin yung link, and nasa description box and comment section na rin yung link ng aking referral link dito sa Z. As I was researching about this company, so apparently this is a newly built company. Their address is at 4 Neo 4th Avenue, corner 30th and 31st Street, BGC, Taguig City, Metro Manila. Tapos, number of floors, 20 without 13 floors. Ooh, wow. Also, sabi nila dito, Z, Philippines, or Z, is regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, right now, wala pang ganong information about Z, pero nagsisimula na sila mag-ramp up ng mga posts nila via social media, and hihintayin natin yung development. Alam ko, magla-launch sila this 2024. And mas okay na you join the waitlist, di ba? At least pag turn nyo na, darating na lang yan, magme-message na lang sila sa inyo na ipaprocess na nila yung application nyo ng Z credit card. Wala namang mawawala, di ba? So, why not join and use my code or this link or nasa link na rin sa description box. Okay, so yun lang muna po for today's video. I am just excited about this new credit card product na may burner card na tinatawag o one-time use na virtual card. Kasi ang laking tulong nito sa mga transaction natin online na ayaw nating malaman yung totoo nating credit card number, di ba? Para siya nagbibigay ng anonymity. Anonymity, it's a word, oh. Oh, di ba?
Anonymity.
Oh, di ba? Ginugol ko pa yan. Yun, nagbibigay siya ng ganon na hindi malalaman or mahahack yung ating credit card, di ba? So, maiiwasan natin yung hacking on our credit card. Okay? So, yan. Okay, for our question of the day. Ano sa tingin nyo yung advantage of having this kind of service, yung tinatawag na burner card? Magagamit nyo ba yan? Malaking tulong ba yan sa inyo? Saan nyo magagamit? Let me know sa comment section sa baba yung ideas nyo about ano yung pwedeng paggamitan ng burner card. Okay? Meron kayong chance na manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. And syempre, huwag niyong kalimutang maglagay ng hashtag Road to 100k subs para sa chance niyo namang manalo sa ating cellphone giveaway every month until we reach the 100k subscriber mark. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at JamesKoon88. Sabi niya, kasi safe naman ang G-credit sa GCash for safety purposes. Shoutout naman dyan, Sir Lods. Here sa Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Salamat po, God bless din. At JamesKoon88 from Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Shoutout po sa inyo and maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagsuporta ng aking channel. Maraming salamat po. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!